Hey everyone, hope you're all doing great today. Today is Saturday, and while the Forex markets are closed for the weekend, the crypto market is still active on MT4. I'm going to check the charts and place some orders if I spot a good opportunity. Alright, let's dive into the charts. First, let's take a look at the daily chart of Ethereum. Yesterday, we saw a strong, bullish candle. Let's draw some Fibonacci lines to see if there are any short-term opportunities. It seems like the market has bounced back from the 50% level of the upper trend on the daily chart. Let's mark those key points. In the short-term downtrend, the market also seems to have hit the 50% level. Additionally, the stochastic indicator is approaching the overbought zone. Now let's switch to the 1-hour chart. Based on the Fibonacci levels, it looks like the market might pull back to the 68.4% level. We can also spot the previous lower highs at that level. Now, on the 15-minute chart, we can see a downtrend that may persist for a while. However, we also observed a break of the upper trend line at the beginning of the day. Additionally, on the 5-minute chart, we can see a divergence in the stochastic indicator, accompanied by a down arrow. Also, the price is currently just below the center of the band's indicator. For this particular trade, I'm using a demo account with a $1,000 balance. I'll set the take profit target to 2.5% in my custom-made expert advisor called Profit Trailer. When the overall profit of my open orders exceeds $25, they will close automatically. I may adjust these settings several times based on the market conditions. Additionally, I may need to enter multiple orders at different levels depending on the situation. Since this is a demo account and I want to record the video and achieve results quickly, I'll be using a higher lot size. However, in a real money account, it's important to take much less risk. Let's place our first order and set the take profit levels, just in case we lose the network connection. Also, keep in mind that I'm not placing a stop loss for now, as I'm closely monitoring the market. Once the order is placed, you'll be able to see the current profit, maximum running profit achieved, and maximum running loss updating on the dashboard. Also, make sure to keep an eye on the current balance and equity, as they will update while the orders are open. Check this out. Within just a few minutes, we've already gained over 1% in profit. If you can consistently make 1% daily, in 30 days, you could achieve a 30% return on your account balance for the month. Typically, I aim for a 1 to 2% profit target. However, I'll wait and see how the market behaves before making my next move. I'm going to fast forward the video now, so be sure to keep an eye on the total profit. As you can see, the total running loss is increasing. Normally, we wouldn't risk this much, but since it's a demo, I'm willing to wait for a 10% profit target. Let's keep an eye on the profit. And as expected, it finally hit the target of 10%. Due to the market volatility, we ended up with a $90 profit. Even though the Forex markets are closed for the weekend, we can still trade and make profits like this in markets such as crypto. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to share your thoughts and ideas by posting comments below.